Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all my everyday makeup routine. It's super easy. The products aren't really expensive at all. We're gonna hop right into it. So before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Follow my lash company. And let's get into this video. Oh, let me lift my hair so you can see the look, how it really looks, so you all can really see the face. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. Hey guys, so today is just going to be like a voiceover video while I do it, because I'm over here watching like the Poor Minds podcast, and when I tell y'all, they are talking about my exact situation. But I'm going to show you all the products I use as I use them and all of that, and tag them in the description box. But let's go ahead and get into this makeup routine. So firstly, I moisturize my face using Nivea's lotion. This is the only lotion I feel would be like safe on my face at least. I know you could get like a real moisturizer, but I just trust this one like 100%. I then go in with my Maybelline FitMe powder and actually set my moisturizer. This will make sure your foundation looks amazing and flawless all day. It really changes how long your foundation will actually stay on your face, regardless of the brand you use. And that is when you go in with your Poreless Primer. So this one, I'm almost out actually. I just noticed that, but this is the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Only like $6 at Walgreens, Target, everywhere. So I used a second primer too since I was almost out. But I'm just going to rub this all over my face on top of the powder, on top of the moisturizer. So next is the foundation. The foundation I'm using is the color F13 Makeup Revolution. You can get this from Ulta, and it is only like, I believe, $12 at the most. And you can use the coupons on Makeup Revolution. But I was also almost out of this, so you'll see I actually used a little bit of the NYX Born This Way foundation, and I think it turned out really, really good. So I used the NYX Born This Way foundation in the color Mahagony. So now I just blend all of that in with a beauty blender. No, this isn't like the real version. I actually got this from Marshall's, I think, but I love these. So just blend it in. I do my eyelids everywhere. Just make sure it's nice and blended. So next we are going to highlight with the Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the color 13. You can also get this at Ulta and use the coupon on it. So I just add like a little triangle under my eye, under my nose, on my chin, and just a little on my forehead. And this is new. I started just doing a very little line on my nose. And you let that sit on there. You want the concealer to kind of just soak into your skin. So wait maybe a minute. So after a minute is up, then you blend it. So for my chin, I use the bottom. The top of my lip, I use the bottom of the sponge. And then under my eyes where I use the triangle. All the places with like little creases basically is where you use the like thinner or pointed part of the beauty blender. Also notice when I get under the eye, I'm actually blending it up. I'm blending it in the spot it is, then I'm blending it up and away. So like towards my hairline, to kind of just lift the under eye area and make sure it's not like all the light isn't hitting the bottom of my eye, making my face look saggy or something. Okay, so now we're going in with Sacha Buttercup powder and a cosmetic wedge you can get at the beauty supply. And I absolutely love, love, love this powder. I swear by it. It's just... Okay, so you add it to the lid. I also want you all to know I use the darker version. Apparently there's 2 versions of Sacha Buttercup and I use the darker one. But I'm going to apply this almost everywhere I just put concealer. And we're not blending it in right now. We're just putting it there. So I add like a goatee or whatever to my mouth. Do a little triangle under my eye, under each eye. And I don't add it to my nose really or my forehead. But if you really look, you can see I'm kind of carving out my nose in a way and making the bridge look a little thinner by where I'm placing the powder, if that makes sense. So in a way, I'm almost contouring my nose without adding all that extra stuff. So I let that sit, and this is the moment I do my eyes. Well, I don't really do much to my eyes, so I'm literally just lining the top of my eyelids with a black eyeliner. This is from Wet n Wild. You could get it for $1 at Dollar General, but just any very black eyeliner. I do this so my lashes can blend in with my lash line. So then I go in with Great Lash. I mean, I don't really need an expensive mascara. This is only maybe $6 at Dollar General. So while I was doing my makeup, I got foundation on my lashes. So we just want to make them black again. The lashes I'll be wearing today is from my business, Casino Lashes, and this is the style Cutthroat. They are super duper wispy, but they're not just like extremely long, which I really, really like. They're like a medium length, so they are like my go-to style right now. You can see, like, look at that wispiness. But yeah, we're going to wear these today. You need to trim your lashes all the time to fit your eyelid. So that's what I'm just going to do for each lash. And then we're going to go in with a glue and blow on it a little bit, or wait to make sure the lash or the glue gets tacky before we add it to our eye. So now it's time to apply the lash. Okay, so once I finish applying my lashes, I know that it's time to rub the powder off of my face. So I just dust it off using like a fan brush. Make sure you get it all and brush it off well. You don't want any flashback when you take pictures or anything like that. So now I'm going to contour using a little concealer. So this is from Makeup Revolution. This is their darkest color, I believe. Their darkest concealer color, or the next to the darkest. So I just add those little lines, and now we're going to blend it up. That's the only place I add the darker concealer. So you don't want to bring it down too much. I'm keeping it in a very specific spot. It's okay to bring it up towards your hairline, but you don't want to bring it too far up to where it's under your eye, or bring it too far down, because I like the kind of like chiseled look almost. So just pay attention to the area I'm blending this in and how I'm going about it. So next, I'm taking my Milani Sunglow highlighter and just putting it on my nose. So I'm not just going to leave the dot there. I'm going to try to like blend it out a little bit. So I put a little bit on the bridge between my eyes and then just on the tip of my nose. And you see I kind of rub it in so it's not just a dot there. So next, I'm taking the James Charles palette. So you could get the mini version. I kind of use both. Like if I'm on the go, I use the mini version. And you see those two colors there that like look blended together. I'm going to rub my brush into both of those colors. I believe that's 10% off in Cool Beans. And this is going to be my contour powder. So that's when I take it above, like on my forehead and stuff. So I kind of like scoop it up towards my nose and then down like around my mouth area to just create some more shape to my face. So, and then on the bottom of my jaw. So just everywhere except directly under your cheekbone or directly above it. But you all kind of see the shape coming in. When you remove the band, if you have your hair tied down like me, then I'll add more powder up there. So next I take the Great Lash mascara and I'm going to add a little bottom lash, you guys. I just feel like it just makes the look come together. I found that it's becoming easier for me to actually like hold the brush, like if I'm getting a specific hair, to hold the brush vertically and kind of make it go up and down like that. You'll see me doing it a little bit, you guys. Okay, so next I'm going to line my lips with Sienna Brown from Wet n Wild. It's only 99 cents. I usually get it at Dollar General, but you can also get it at Amazon. They give you like a 2 or 3 pack on Amazon. But I'm not overlining or anything, just completely lining my lips. So I decided to switch it up a little bit. This is from my company, Casino Cosmetics, and I wanted to use our liquid lipstick Lobby. So I just added just a little bit to my bottom lip. You all will see this whole look will be focused on my bottom lip basically. But yeah, I rubbed it together just a little bit to add a little more pink. And then I always go in with like a chapstick. This is Baby Lips, just any chapstick. Rub my lips together again. We're trying to blend in that lip liner we added earlier to have a nice pink and brown going on. And then I noticed like on the bottom of my lip, like the line wasn't present enough. You want the line to be blended, but you also want everyone to know it's there. If you know what I'm saying when doing an ombre lip. So then I go in with my pinky and take out like the middle of my lip using, well, just to add a little more pinkness and to take away some of the brown and give that ombre effect. So lastly, this is just that $99 clear lip gloss. I think that's the mint one. I just added to my bottom lip only, you guys. Like I told you, we're barely touching our top lip. But I just add that lip gloss to my bottom to add a little more oomph to the look. So now I'm going to go do my hair, let it down. But this is really it, you guys. Okay, so that is it for my everyday makeup routine. I decided to just slick my little baby hairs a little bit, do my hair, but that is it. Oh, I forgot. Just add a little Morphe setting spray. And that is it for this video. It takes me maybe 17 minutes to do my makeup in total. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.